To everybody who's watching this right now, my name is Shines. Everybody know me as Shinezstory, and today I'll be giving you some tips how to vlog. Yes, I'm loving the house. Once you're vlogging, have confidence in yourself, because it's you talking to the camera, people passing and looking and they want to know, this guy going crazy, right? So you'll get that kind of stare. So just be confident in whatever you do. Make sure your belly full before you start vlogging, because sometimes I tell myself you're going to vlog for 15 minutes and end up to the whole day. So you see how we quiet down here and we get to the carcass, make sure your belly full before you start vlogging. To come back to it. With that being said, I have to give a shout out to my sponsors for today, Sana's workshop. All the links will be in the description and the number will be on the screen. Alright, tip number 3. You could start vlogging with your cell phone. You don't have to have a professional camera like this. The cell phone is all you need. But as you go further into it, you need to have a mic onto your cell phone. Now we have these mics that could connect into your cell phones. They have jack connections that just buy a mic, plug it into your cell phone and get better audio and make sure you're producing good content. Now here's what's going on. I will leave that for tip number 4. Here's our next tip. Always remember to press record. If it's your phone, your camera, your drone, always remember, because I now fly the whole drone, get a nice shot coming thinking I'm recording and I didn't press record.
Please, I will go with this.
Alright, let's get the community now. Let's get some of the community. I'm going to try to play me up there. Love. Nah. Alright, so here's what's going on. Don't let a drone take away your creativity. The camera is the most important tool when it comes to vlogging. Somebody told me they find my vlogs was way better before I had a drone. And I was like, you know what? They was right. Because at that time you had to be more creative with your edits, with your shoots, with your transitions. But when you get the drone now, you feel, you feel more relaxed that you don't have to do that. And somehow on Columbus Bay, and as you can see what's here, the bay go all the way back to the... Wait, a crab? Alright. I know what tell them, oh, let me come and tell them, wait, we coming just now. So, I'm not thinking no more. Right. We on Columbus Bay. I think they say something about he lost the anchor. I ain't sure if it's here or if it's in Icacos. But I know Columbus lost the anchor in Trinidad. I tell how bad it is. It's only loving the house today and the day. What are you doing on us? What? What are you doing on us slippers already? And next important tip. Make sure and ask your viewers to like, share and subscribe, which I haven't done yet on my video. I'm gonna do this. I'm never gonna do this on my channel. But as everybody know, I had real bad teeth and I fixed my teeth. But to be real with you, I don't eat with my teeth in my mouth. This is my teeth. Anybody out there who watching this and decide, they have teeth that they want to fix, do it. You can't lose at all. Do it. That's a big tip in vlogging, because your clients or your viewers, they want to watch somebody who they're comfortable with. And if your teeth looking messed up, we don't really want to watch you unless we're really into your content. So if you have a problem with your teeth and you need to fix it, my brother. Real talk. Bless up yourself. This soup, you can't get it in Port Spoon. Trust me. You can't get the soup in Port Spoon. The texture, the taste, the flavor, the seasoning. I don't know what to put in it, but it's real different than any other soup I taste all over the world. On a Saturday, when Saturday come, I love soup. Today is Monday and I eating soup. My wife gonna get real vexed with me today. But Uncle Soup, you know, Uncle, you make the soup or your wife make the soup?
No, I don't tell me.
Oh! I don't know what I'm saying. Bro, you have to walk your legs. You can never get enough B-roll. That would save you through a lot. So for example, if you're doing an interview and the person talk about a boat, you can show a shot of a boat, a coconut tree, or the environment where the person is right now. Or you can get some shots at the mouth close up while they're speaking, some shots at the hands while they're reading the book, or the words in the book. Always remember that B-roll is a winner. It will save you as a vlogger or a YouTuber a lot. Bro, you hear what this man is saying, bro?
Rain by shines, rain! Rain by rain! The only thing right this stuff is what? Cricket!
Hey, look on that, brother. We dealing with audio. The audio can pick up that. That's what audio is all about. Right? Alright, so we're talking about audio right now. The first thing you need to do is take off this AC. Right? You probably hear any rain outside, but that's natural audio. We cannot control that audio, or we can control the audio inside. If you have a camera that can set audio, I wouldn't recommend you to do auto, do manual, right? Go into your settings, turn your camera. Well, the mic sometimes is directional mics. So if your mic facing forward, because my mic is a directional mic, I don't have nothing in the back here. So if I'm in the back of it and I speaking, somebody talking in front and I speaking, you wouldn't hear me properly. But if I turn it to me, which is a directional, in my direction, you will hear it real good. But make sure and set your audio to a nice pace. Try and go past that red line. I use manual, that way I could set my audio. Like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So you want the audio, if you want the audio down a little bit, you take it down because you don't want it too high. If it's not high enough, then you take it up to a different notch, which is like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, you see it going into red. We don't want the red. As I said before, you don't want the red. Yellow could work. -12, a little over 12. Yeah, -12. Yeah, that way we aiming for. A little over -12. That way you can still always go into your settings when you go to edit and boost it up a little bit. And next thing too, you must always up your game. No matter what you do in life. It don't even have to be YouTube alone. But anything you do, you always up your game. Once you're vlogging, make sure and make it your life. Be confident in what you do, love what you do. Right now, them sound flying, them real different out there, boy. But I love what I do, so I will take the bite because I have content to deliver to my audience. Love what you do. Shinezstory, this is Love in the House, and that is some tips on vlogging with Shines or Red Wall News. Bro, like when you water and take a bath, boy. You going? Let's go. You're leaving the bath right there.